Hi guys and welcome back in MedicalScribe. This video is the fifth video in the introduction to anatomy series. And today we will talk about the second approach in studying anatomy, which is the systemic anatomy. We will learn the systemic anatomy approach in some videos, in which at first we will talk about the meaning of this approach. Then we will talk in short about every system in the human body. Alright, the systemic anatomy means that we will study the human body by systems manner, unlike the regional anatomy. In the regional anatomy, if you remember, we said that we will study the human body by regions, like upper limb, lower limb, and so on. While here in the systemic anatomy, we will study the human body by systems, and we will study each system alone and completely, like cardiovascular system, nervous systems, and the others. And I think you know that the organs in the human body work together to form these systems, which will make a complex functions that keep us alive. So that was the meaning of the systemic anatomy. And that's it. I hope what I said makes sense. See you next video, and goodbye.